Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to perfectly use a body wash. Before scrubbing, you need to soften and prepare your skin. Hop into a warm shower or bath and soak for a few minutes and make sure your skin is damp, not dry. This helps the scrub glide easily. The warmth will open your pores and soften your skin surface. Take this moment to relax. It's part of your self-care ritual. Now that your skin is ready, it's scrub time. Stand up in the bath or turn off the shower so the scrub doesn't wash away, and scoop out a generous amount of your chosen body scrub and apply to damp skin using gentle circular motions. Work from top to bottom, chest, tummy, back, bum, arms, and legs. Then be careful with exfoliating the soles of your feet. They can get slippery. Now, if you want to level up your exfoliation, use a body brush or exfoliating mitt. Apply the scrub with your chosen tool in gentle circular movements, and if you're using dry brushing techniques, move in along with strokes towards the heart. This can help stimulate circulation and focus on rough areas like elbows, knees, and heels. Now step back under the shower and soak in your bath. Rinse thoroughly using warm water and gently massaging away any remaining scrub particles. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and don't rub. Then finish with a rich moisturizer or body oil to lock in hydration. And you're done. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.